Keyless keypad entry, add up to 10 keypad users and 10 remotes. Includes 1 remote. Backlit keypad, better visibility in the dark. Easy programming, simple keypad and remote programming procedure adds or deletes users in seconds. Smartphone control, smartphone compatible using Insteon home automation system. Bring convenience to your home with this keypad entry deadbolt and passage lever handle combo door lock by MiLocks. This keyless entry deadbolt and handleset combo installs just as easy on both left-handed doors and right-handed doors 1 1/4 to 1 7/8 thick. You will discover how useful it is to simply share a code or remote instead of sharing a key. Easy access for your kids coming home from school, no more need to take your keys with you on a run, no more making extra keys for others. You will wonder why you didn't switch to keyless entry sooner. In addition to adding individual users, you can also program a master code to multiple locks, a valuable feature for property management. The keypad lights up at the press of a button, which facilitates operation in the nighttime. It includes an adjustable latch with 2 different backset settings of 2 3/8 and 2 3/4 and features audible tones when locking, unlocking, and low battery warning. Operates on 4 AA batteries which are not included. This lock carries a 25-year mechanical warranty, 1-year electrical warranty, and a limited lifetime warranty on the finish. Top reviews from the United States. I bought the unit BXF-02SN in satin with 2 extra remote controls. It was easy to install and program and had worked great until March of 2019 and just quit working. I called the 1-800 number that came with the unit for customer help. Now for the review. Even though it was out of warranty, they apologized for my trouble and sent me a replacement unit. This says volumes about the people selling the product and their faith in what they are selling. You cannot go wrong buying from these people.